Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guess what day it is today? It's Taco Tuesday. And I know you might not be watching this on a Tuesday, but Taco Tuesday is every day in my book. So how about we get started? The ingredients you will need are cumin, garlic, chili powder, salt, 1 pound of ground beef of your choice, a half a cup of tomato sauce, onion powder, and Mexican oregano. You will first put your 1 pound of ground beef into a skillet and cook that thoroughly on medium heat. Once it's thoroughly cooked as shown, you're going to want to drain the grease out of the beef. So what I usually do is take a strainer and put some paper towel into it, and then I dump my ground beef in there, and then I put it back into the pan. Next, you will add your half a cup of tomato sauce, and you could stir that in lightly. Then you will add 1 tablespoon of your chili powder, next comes a half a teaspoon of salt, then add 3/4 teaspoon of cumin, next you will add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, one-fourth teaspoon of onion powder comes next, and finally a half a teaspoon of dried Mexican oregano. Go ahead and mix this thoroughly. And this is what it will look like. At this point, you want to give it a try, as you might want to add additional salt or garlic to your liking. It's that simple. It's ready to go. Go ahead and grab your taco shell. I use a soft corn shell, and then you could add whatever toppings you like. I added lettuce and Mexican cheese, which is queso fresco. It's a Mexican crumble cheese. I also added sour cream and avocado and also hot sauce. I hope you enjoy these tacos as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.